if triangle ABCD is a rectangle, AD is equal to 9, AC is equal to 22, and the measure of BCA is equal to 66. Find each missing measure. So what this wants us to do is to find the angles and the side lengths. I'll use this for the side length, then I'll draw another one for the angles to make it a little bit more clear. So first we have AD is equal to 9. Then we have AC is equal to 22. E is a midpoint, so this is 11, this is 11, this is 11, this is 11. Everything on this triangle, or all the diagonals, are equal to each other, including the midpoint. AD is 9, this is 9. And then it says the measure of BCA is equal to 66. We're gonna use that at the end, or with the other part. So we're right now just focusing on the side lengths. That's all we can answer right now without using the Pythagorean theorem. So now we're gonna use the Pythagorean theorem right here. So what we have here, I want to find what the value of DC and AB is, but we do have to use the Pythagorean theorem. So right here we have A is 9. We don't know what DC is, so we can call that B. So what we have right here is 9 squared plus B squared is equal to 22 squared. You get 81 plus B squared is equal to 22 squared, 44. So then you subtract by 81, subtract by 81, get B squared is equal to 403. You square root both sides, square root both sides. You get B is equal to, make it easier for ourselves, let's just call this 20.01. So the length of that to the nearest tenth would be 20.1. I'll just say it's this color. That's 20.1. So this is 20.1. Let's fill in what we know. So AB is 20.1. BC is 9. BD is 22. Then EC is 11. So there we go. We got the side lengths. Let me redraw a bigger rectangle. So we can do the angles just fine, and without all the side lengths on there. So we have A, B, C, D, and E is the center. We just have the measure of B, C, A is 66. If this is 66, we have isosceles triangles right next to it. So 66 is here, 66 is here, 66 is here. I know that all diagonals is 90 degrees, so to find the missing angle here, we just do 90 minus 66. We get 24 right here. 24 is here, 24 is here, 24 is here. So right now, we know all of these angles because of the diagonals itself. Now, right here, we know we have a triangle that adds up to 180. So we have 180 is equal to 24 plus 24 plus DEC. So we just call it the measure of DEC, which is equal to 48 plus the measure of DEC, 180. From here, I'm going to subtract 48 to both sides. 48. Get 132 is equal to the measure of DEC. So that's 132, and so is this. Then from here, We do 180 minus 132. The reason being is that this straight line equals 180. You get 48. 48. And we have filled in almost every angle. Or we have filled in every angle. Then it wants us to find the measure of ADC. So you put your pen on A, and then you go to D, then you go to C. So ADC is a right angle, so it's 90. Then it wants to tell you BAC. So BAC is going to be 24. Then we go to CDB. CDB is going to be 66. And then we have AEB be 132. Alright, we filled out everything it wanted, and we're good to go.